was looking for a really reliable wireless doorbell and I found this on Amazon. Doesn't have a name on it, but looks really nice. So let's quickly review this and find out how good this is. So welcome back to rTech. This is the wireless doorbell. It's from a seller called as JSI-EEM. The packaging is pretty simple, and this one comes without any kind of name on it, but it's got very good reviews on Amazon. And this is special because this has got a 1200 feet range, and it's also got a light built in to indicate that someone's actually activating the bell. So let's see how good this is. So this is a sealed unit and really small packaging. I really like this. Let's quickly have this open. Okay, inside I can see that there's an outdoor unit or the actual ringer. Nothing mentioned on that, and this doesn't have any clicky buttons on it. So this is a capacitive unit and pretty large actually. And this is I think some mounting units for this outdoor unit. There are some alkaline batteries, AAA. This unit runs on battery, so you can't run it on electricity, so that's pretty cool. You can move it around easily. And here is a nice thank you card from the seller. So like I mentioned, there's no name on the bell, but it just says JSI-EEM is what I think it is. But I'll leave links in the description below in case you want to check this out. So there is a small instruction booklet in English. Let's find out how the main unit looks, the ringer. And that's okay, there it is. So the transparent circle there, I think that's where the light kind of indicates that someone's actually ringing the doorbell. Okay, I can see that there's a battery box and a small speaker at the back and mounting holes as well. This one's got like 4.5 stars on Amazon. And 3 buttons here. I'm guessing this is to shuffle the melodies, adjust the volumes, and maybe the lighting effects. Let's take out this plastic. So this one's actually protected with a pull tab to protect the battery from draining. This one doesn't use the regular batteries. And it's got a 3-year battery life and can work in, wide temperature zones. So I've got to open this to access the battery. And this one's IP rated, so it's got some sort of rubber sealing on it. So it's, yeah, here it is. And you can see that there's a small tab that says pull. That activates the unit. So you have to actually open the unit before you start using it. Okay, and it slams shut. And there you go. So there is a nice lighting effect on the outer edges. And here's the main unit. Let's arm this as well. The batteries are now inside, and like I mentioned, 36 different music options, learning mode, battery covers, and everything else on this one. I'm just putting whatever I saw on Amazon, and there's the lighting effect, so that's pretty cool. I know this part is annoying, but I just want to show you the different sounds it's having built in. And one of the biggest advantages of this bell is that you can actually switch off the tones completely and just use the lighting effects to notify you if anyone's coming, so that in case you don't want to use the sound effects, you can actually use just the lighting option. So installing this will be very simple. There are instructions on the manual as well. You can actually have a double-sided glue tape and just push it on the wall, or you can use a screw mount if you think you need that. But either ways, it's pretty light, so it should hold on pretty easily. You can see that there are some markings there where you can actually make those holes here. They also provided a nice small screwdriver in the toolkit, so that's really nice of them. So let's do some range testing on this bell to find out whether it really works. Okay, it's at about 150 feet. Will this actually work? It does. I moved it to about 300 feet, I guess, approximately. And it does take some time for the signal to hit this unit, but once it does, it really works. Yeah, it does work. Nice little bell you get on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for watching rTech. As always, please like the video, share it, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching rTech. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.